6 identical cubes, each a perfect 24 feet, form a captivating choreography on this sprawling Hamptons estate. Their pitched roofs, like dancers' arms, rise and fall in unison, creating a sense of continuity yet hinting at hidden surprises beneath. The deep gray skin, a slatted canvas of Accoya wood, reflects the dynamic movements with its own striated texture, adding an unexpected layer to the roofscape's rhythm. This contemporary performance isn't the only act on stage. The 6-square house joins a historic 1850s farmhouse at the property's forefront, now transformed into a charming guest house. A sleek pool house and a cool gunite pool complete the harmonious ensemble at the rear, with 6-square house taking center stage as the owner's primary residence. Young Projects, the architects behind this innovative production, envisioned 6-square house as a contemporary counterpart to the traditional farmhouse. It's a subtle nod to Long Island's architectural heritage, but with a radical twist. "We started with the familiar barn silhouette," explains Brian Young, the studio's founder, "but instead of a static backdrop, we created a dynamic figure that flows and ebbs." It's a modern interpretation with timeless roots. As you approach the stage from the front, the spotlight falls on the garage and living room cubes, separated by a polished concrete path that leads you directly to the heart of the show, a triangular courtyard bathed in natural light. The deep gray rain screen facade is a dramatic backdrop, its vertical striations cascading from the roof ridge to the ground like a theatrical curtain. These striations are a clever play on materials: charred, stained, and sealed Accoya wood meets western red cedar rain screen, echoing the farmhouse's historic cedar facade while offering a distinctly contemporary feel. The 6 cubes perform a mesmerizing ballet around the central courtyard. Young Projects strategically uses this tessellated layout to create a captivating interplay between symmetry and asymmetry, depending on your vantage point within the home. The hybrid roofscape, with its aligned ridges and playful curves, further enhances this duality. Each cube plays a distinct role in the production. One offers a stage for culinary creations, the kitchen; another provides a haven for rest, the main bedroom with its cherished view of the old purple beech tree, while others serve as functional areas like the living room, secondary bedroom, porch, and garage. This strategic placement allows each cube to connect with the surrounding landscape, offering unique perspectives of the lush property. Living areas and the kitchen seamlessly blend into a grand open space, where the undulating flow of the ceiling mirrors the dynamic rhythm of the roofscape above. 6-square house is a captivating performance, both inside and out. It's a fusion of modern innovation and respect for the site's heritage, a captivating dance of geometry and nature that unfolds on the stage of the Hamptons. is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.